In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a Discord server. Ensure you subscribe and turn on bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and corners like this. So if you're a newbie and you want to make a Discord server, right? So just scroll down gradually, click on this add a server. Right here, you can come on here, you can select, click create my own, right? Just come on here, you can type in the name of the server, right? So you can still come on and upload a profile picture if you want, right, from your own choice, right? So yeah, that is it basically. I can just click on, let me see, I can click on this, right? So I'm just using this for an example. Click on your create server, right, it's going to create up, and right now you're going to see you'll be able to create this server, right? So if you're a newbie, if you're wanting to create a Discord server, right, for your friends, for your family, for a club, for a community, for people to join up and hang on with you, right, is basically how you can do that. So our server is currently creating, so I'm going to give it very few seconds for it to load up. Okay, yeah, so this is greatness server, and if you look right here, you're going to see you have some other options, right, to send a first message, to do this, right? So this is basically how you can make a Discord server. If you're a newbie, if you're a beginner, I hope this video helps you out. So ensure you share thoughts below in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, I'm gonna see you on the very next one.